Hi, my name is Bao Minh Tran, student ID 224236373. This is my demonstration video for task 2.1b of SIT221, data structures and algorithms. So this task asks me to utilize two interfaces, iComparer and iComparable, to sort the array. So firstly, the difference between iComparer interface and iComparable interface lies in the fact that the iComparable, as the name implies, it makes a class. Our blueprint can be compared with some standard identified by us. And whereas the iComparer is just um, a way that we define our comparisons between elements in an array. Just for example, like giving an so I think it's best to use the code to demonstrate that. Firstly, I will do so that I run on the test case given by the task. So here we go. It's all success. It sorted everything properly. So now let me go a bit deeper into how they work. So I already set checkpoints here. So I start the debugging. Okay, it's gonna take a bit long. So we're gonna skip these parts and focus on the sort method because this is not the aim of this task. So this is right on the terminal down here, and then they add the vector and then elements, and then they check if the add method of the vector is correct. Then they write a line. We start to sort now. Let's go. We call the sort method because we implement that interface for the vector class. So let's go to the sort, and here it comes here. Because it's simply a sort, so you just go down here, and then it just go with the count as usual. Now it's got sorted here, and then just let it print out. Okay. So I think I'm gonna move to some more special case that use, oh, here. This is a good one. So here we use a sort with an iComparer, that is ascending integer comparer. So we just basically see how it works. So this is so let's just skip this because this is just check the elements of the array if it add correctly. Wait a second. It take a bit time. Okay, sure. Okay, so now it start to sort, and now it write out the initial vector. This is unsorted here. And then we go to the vector sort here because we overload the method here, so that's why it comes down there with the iComparer. And is the comparer is not null, and then we go with the sort using the comparer, and here it goes to our comparer, that is the ascending in comparer, and here it just basically compares the integers just as usual, but it's just a good example, a simple example enough to understand how it works. So yeah, so just that's it. Thank you.